Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to decorate your kids' room with an easy and colorful under the ocean painting. This will be a set of 3 altogether. For this tutorial, we are going to need canvas, gesso, acrylic color, acrylic brush, masking tape and pencil. So first we have to prepare the canvas before start painting on it. Here I'm using the gesso from Liquitex. You can use any other brand which is available to you. First we have to apply the gesso all over the canvas with the help of a thick brush so it can give us a smooth and thick surface to work on. After applying the gesso, we have to wait for at least 2 hours to come to a complete dry, or you can use hair dryer. Today I'm going to show you the very fast part of my painting, which is on a beach scene. Now I will draw an outline sketch of my painting. In this painting, I have used my daughter's name. You can use your kid's name on it to make them much more attractive to them. So here is my sketch is almost ready and I will go ahead and start painting on it. So the first part of the Under the Ocean painting is ready now.